I'm gonna make a quick little video today. We have Allegiance high and low stage compressor. High stage contactor coil is pulled in, low is not. Only the condenser fan running. These are standing pressures. I just had it running, so suction side will be a little bit lower until it raises back up. The issue that we're having is that we are getting .24 volts, a high stage contactor coil, but to low stage we aren't getting voltage. Now check the right side, which actually carries the voltage, 24. Remember, your left side is just your common. There's your common source of voltage. That runs all the way down here. On your right side of the low stage, got nothing. So these come from your safeties. Specifically, one we're looking at comes from our high pressure switch. So you're gonna have to check your high pressure switches and see if one is more than likely failed open and not passing power. Because I turned this system on and ran it for about 10-15 minutes and it never shut off on a pressure, high or low. So always check your safeties. So I ended up finding the issue and going to check the safeties, checking the wiring diagram. Found that each of these, the yellow and the black, and the yellow and the red, respectively, go back to, the yellow and black goes to the high pressure switch for the low stage compressor. The yellow and red goes to the high pressure switch for the high stage compressor. One leg of each of these comes from the switch, and then the other leg of power is provided from the board, from this plug here. Well, they have a couple test terminals. You see Y1C and Y2C to be able to check for voltage. So Y2C, which is high stage, has voltage coming out. But low stage does not. In any way. So if we test to a ground source, we test again, 24 volts there, nothing there. And then if we take a meter lead, a needle point lead like that down there, like so, got the other side to ground source, .24, zero. Failed board.